Hi guys, how's it going? So in this video, I want to share with you my performance for the month of February for Jan and Feb, so 2021, and for the last 6 months. Before we get into the numbers, I just want to share the reason why the reason why I am making this video or sharing all these details is because I have learned a lot on YouTube and from a lot of other people on YouTube. And I hope that even if one person can learn something from this video or any of my videos, I mean, that will achieve its purpose. And second, of course, learning is a continuous process. So even I would like to continue learning in one way or the other. Anyone who is doing stocks or is involved in stocks knows that in stocks, either you can trade or you can invest. Investment, let's say we can simply break it into active investing, passive investing. Active is when you are looking out for stocks which are at a discount, which is the value investing, the Warren Buffett way, and you need to have the skills to read the balance sheet to understand the business, so on and so forth. So, for example, that is not for me. I am not skilled or capable of doing that. The other is passive investing, where you just take the money, you put it in an index fund or a mutual fund uh, through an SIP or a lump sum purchase, and then you forget about it for 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, and it's almost guaranteed that you will make some money. I am too impatient to do that. So hence, I would like to be more actively involved. Hence, I chose trading. Now, in trading, I break it down into two parts where you are a day trader or you are a full-time trader. So you just do this as a career. There are a lot of videos on YouTube, a lot of people who are day traders who are, of course, who are doing well as well with a lot of catchy, we can make 1 lakh in a day and so on and so forth, which I think is possible for some people, but for the vast majority of the population, I think it is unreasonable. I don't think everyone has those skill sets to start making 1 lakh every day or even a month with a very small capital. I think it's difficult, not impossible, but difficult. Uh, and then comes the second category in trading, which is what I do, which is a little bit of momentum trading, part time, an hour a day, maximum maybe 1.5 to 2 hours a day at max, just as a using the stock market as an extra source of income. So not the primary source of income, just as an extra source of income. And I assume that the vast majority of people watching this are in the same category, who are not saying, okay, let me just quit my job and let just for the sake of financial independence, just let me get into the stock market completely. I think it is very few people, very small percentage of people can afford to do that, because it's not easy. Just because the last few months have been good in the stock market doesn't mean that it will always be good, and the markets are extremely unpredictable and volatile. So one has to understand oneself before jumping into the stock market, that which category do you fall in. Can you take volatility? For example, if tomorrow the stock market just goes down like 30%, will you be able to take it? For me, yes, I will be able to absorb it, so it's fine. Hence trading is okay. So based on your personality, you should choose whether you want to be an active investor, a passive investor, an active trader. When I say active trader, I mean full-time trader, or an active part-time trader. So I am in the active part-time trading. And with this introduction, I will just move on to the numbers. So now I will first go to the February performance. So you can see this is a screenshot of so this here you can see this is 1st Feb to 27th Feb. The net gain is 1,16,000. I will come back and explain these numbers. Then we can just have a quick look at Jan and Feb. So it's 2 lakhs approximately. And for the last 6 months, it is 6,88,000. This is from, as you can see, September to February. About approximately 7 lakhs, you can say. Now, one thing I would like to explain in these numbers, I'm back on February, 1,16,000. This is gross profit. This does not, this includes the tax that I'm supposed to pay. So this is profit before tax. So this is a wrong number. Approximately, I have paid in February approximately 20% tax based on the short-term capital gains tax is 15% in India, I think 15 or 16%. And I have some uh, international stocks, which is 30%. So that was just one sale in this month. So I have paid about 20% of tax in this month. So this 1,16,000, it will come to around 90,000 net profit. So 90,000 net profit is excluding is my final net profit in my account. So it does not include any of the charges to the bank, taxes, nothing. This is 90,000 which I have earned net in this month for the month of February. The same thing will of course be for Jan and Feb, and the same thing will be for the last 6 months. So approximately 20% the value will come down. So if you look for the last 6 months, 20% of 6.88 would be about 1.3. So the net profit for the last 6 months would be about 5.5 lakhs. This is first about the number, just the value. Second, let's come to the percentile. This percentile is not the correct percentile. I'll explain why. This percentile calculates only the amount, it calculates it based on the turnover of the stocks that I have bought and sold. For example, मेरे पास yes bank है, I have yes bank for the last 1 year, I'm stuck with it. Okay, so that is not calculated in this because I have not touched that stock. So this calculates the percentage is calculated only on the trades that I have made. Stocks like Yes Bank, stocks like Coal India, which have been in my account for almost a year, it does not calculate it. Also, this percentile does not calculate the amount of cash I am holding. So of course I have an account in Axis Bank, which is linked to this demat account, which I have cash, which is only for the stock purposes. So I'm not talking of cash for expenses and so on. I'm talking of stocks, cash which is allocated for stock trading. So this percentile does not include that number. I would be very happy if I would have had a gross profit or a net profit of 4% or 5% every month, but it's not true. So my gross profit for the month of Feb, let's say, is 5%, but I have calculated the net profit, which comes down to my pocket, is 1.8% for the month of February. Coincidentally, January was also the same. It was 1.75%. And my last 6 month average is 2% per month. So simply put, in the last 6 months, I have made 12% net profit to my pocket. It's very simple. It is said that 85% of traders don't make money. I mean, I don't have any data to back this up. I just Googled, and every website almost told me the same numbers, that 85% of retail traders, I'm talking of retailers, average people like me, and I don't think any institutional investor or a hedge fund player is watching my video. So normal retailers like you and me, 85% lose money in the market, they say, 10% make money, and only 5% can beat the market. So I am in that 10% right now where I am consistently making money, but I am not making enough to beat the market yet. So that is my, of course, long-term plan, and I hope I will be able to do it, and I will keep you posted irrespective of if I can or not, because I have no classes to offer. I have no, I'm not trying to impress you to join my services or take my classes. I am not qualified to do any of that. I'm just sharing my experiences with the hope that I will learn something, and of course, someone else will learn something. So 2% every month. I've been trading for 2 years, but I started following these numbers carefully only in the last 6 months. My portfolio size was about 45.5 lakhs when I started 1st of September, and today it is about 51 lakhs. So I've just everything that I've earned in the last 6 months, I have reinvested. So so the size of the portfolio does go up, but also earning 2% every month becomes more difficult because you have invested more money into it. So you have to earn more to just earn 2%. So you understand every month. So now in the month of March, I don't have to earn 2% on 45 lakhs with which I started. I have to earn 2% on 51 lakhs. So it becomes more and more difficult to make that 2%. The key of what I am doing is just consistency. Uh, I am not looking for quick gains of like I said, immediately एक महीने में 5 लाख बना लो 10 लाख बना लो. Not that नहीं बना सकते. I am maybe not capable. What I would prefer to do is consistency, that I can earn 2% every month. Let's say in the last 6 months I have been able to. Let's see what happens in the future. And even if I can average that, I mean, 2% a month is 24% a year, which is crazy, which is really good. So I don't think it will be that easy for me, especially with the size of the portfolio. It will keep increasing. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I'm excited and I'm looking forward. And of course, I will keep you posted as well. So I don't know what will happen. I don't spend too much time on will the market crash on Monday or will it go up on Monday. I know I cannot influence the market in any way. Monday को जो होगा देखा जाएगा. If it goes up, I will act accordingly. If it goes down, I will act accordingly. And I try to keep it simple. And yeah, I just hope anyone who's watching it has benefited you. I will, of course, continue to share these details, even if I'm not doing well. I'm not sharing this just because the last 6 months were good. Even if it's not good, I will still share it, and I will share my mistakes as well, because every day I learn that I'm making, even in the last couple of weeks, I realized I made some very stupid mistakes. I over traded, I sold cheaper. I mean, all the usual things that every trader does, I have done. So I will continue sharing this. I hope you liked the video. I hope if you have any questions or if I can help in any way, please write in the comments and I will try to answer it to the best of my ability. And yeah, please do like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. And until next time, have a good one. Bye bye.